Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. This is the Mantis Mini, aka the Mantis 8. Now there is 3 different specs available for this scooter, and this model sits right in the middle with its 800 watt dual motors, 48 volt 18.2 amp hour battery. In this video you will hear unpleasant noise coming from the front tyre. This is because the tyre had a bulge in it which isn't repairable, and as I cannot locate a new tyre at this time, I have stuck an 8-inch inner tube in there, put some slime in it, pumped it up to about 40 psi, so at least it should stay safe until I can get a new tyre. The only negative point is the horrible noise that comes from it when you're riding it on hard surfaces. I noticed the bulge in the tyre when I've done about 60 miles from new. I've now done just over 260 miles, so I've put over 200 miles on it since I've done this repair to the tyre, and so far it hasn't let me down. So what do I think of this scooter? I love the thing. It's the fastest and most powerful scooter that I have owned right now. I had the Mantis Lite Plus just before this one, which has the single 800 watt motor, where this is the dual 800 watt model, and although the model isn't a great deal faster, the torque, power and acceleration difference is massive and really makes a difference for heavy riders like myself, and also going up steep hills for things like a tank. Apart from the issue with the tyre, the scooter hasn't let me down at all. I have had no other issues yet, and hopefully it stays that way. So in terms of spec, it has 2 800 watt brushless motors that the user can select between 1 or 2 motors while riding, semi-hydraulic brakes, regenerative braking on both motors so you'll gain a little electric battery back when braking, cruise control, kick off or pull start, dual suspension, LED lights on the front, back and sides, built-in bell, tubeless pneumatic tyres, turn signals, and comes standard with a 2 amp charger. It has 8-inch wheels opposed to the larger Mantis, which has 10-inch wheels, so the ride will be a little bit more bumpier on this scooter, but I do think it's a great compromise if you want to fold the scooter down and take it in the back of the car. As for me, this one fits straight in the back of my boot of the car, yet the other one I had to put the back seats down every time I wanted to put the full-size Mantis in there. So I'm going to leave you the rest of my recent footage on this scooter. As always, if you have any questions, please ask in the comments and I will get back to you. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that like button. Thank you.